go.
After getting our Airstream upgraded, the plan was to spend a couple of days at Harvest Host to test out our system. We had to pivot a little bit during the trip, but we had a good time overall.
Can you help me? I don't think we needed the lift.
We're really going to have to jump in tonight.
To my hips.
We're a little high right now.
The ground's slow, so I'm at a very big disadvantage. But now that we're level, I'm gonna come and turn on the inverter so that we can turn on the AC for a few minutes. The inverter is on. Lou is panting, so we are gonna go turn on the AC. We still have plenty of stuff to put back. We're gonna do zone 1, and I'm gonna just put the fan on for now, and the fan just kicked on. These are our new Skylights. Very happy, very excited about them. You don't get nearly as much radiant heat as you did from the other ones. As you can see, we've got our batteries that are 100%. Our load is in the 320s, 330s now. It's kind of leveling out. Our DC power, and then this is the rate that we're charging. So we're still charging like above what our AC/DC load is, or right at what our AC/DC load is. We do have full sun and clear skies outside, right?
What?
Full sun and clear skies.
Yeah.
So we're still not, I just put the fan on, not the AC, and we're still input, like equaling, in and out equals. So what we're pulling out, the DC and AC, is equaling what the panels are bringing in right now.
My guess is the panels are only bringing in what you're using.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh.
So we're not overloaded yet. We're not like pulling too much, but we don't have anything
the
on.
capability of bringing in more.
Yeah,
It just doesn't need it.
correct. I see you hurt yourself.
I need a Band-Aid.
Got it.
And mostly just so I don't bleed on things. And today I'm getting a Barbie Band-Aid.
Oh, that's exciting.
Barbie Band-Aid!
All fixed up now, huh?
Good.
I would say this was a Prime Day update, but we bought it before Amazon Prime Day. So, I did have, for the sink, we had this at the house. It's just an adjustable wire rack with a little utensil holder. This isn't great because it's not sturdy enough to like actually dry anything. So, this is our upgrade. I purchased this silicone wire rack, and then this little rack. It is attached via suction cups right now, but can also you can kind of permanently attach it with like a command strip type thing. I'm playing around with placement, but our little bottle brush goes in it. Our Scrub Daddy, the silicone rack, folds across so we can dry dishes. This is also rated to, I believe, 400 degrees, so if we needed to move it to the side and put like a hot plate on it, we could. So that is our kitchen upgrade, and we've got a couple other things that I'll show.
I've got like a little recommendation while we were at Airstream Nuts and Bolts, because this thing is a pain to get on and off. We've had to use like a pipe wrench, like a little strap wrench, to get it off before. So the replacement I will show you in a second, because I think it is far superior and has a handle on it to make it move. I guess a couple of things that are interesting slash good about it. It has like a little drain here so you can hook a hose up to it. So if you were just getting rid of gray water, I guess, you could hook that up and kind of run the hose anywhere. You wouldn't want to, but if you had to. And then it's clear, so I guess you can see if you've got a leak before you open it. But yeah, that's the replacement there. And the nice part about it, in my mind, is it's got this handle up front. So it's turn it on, turn it off. You got somewhere to grab onto.
So this wasn't really to test the system.
Come here.
This was because everything melted when they unplugged the system, and we had ice around the freezer, so then it all melted at the bottom, and then we plugged it back in and it refroze. So I'm cleaning out the freezer, and the easiest way to get it done was to use the blow dryer.
It's really not bad because we're almost 2 hours with the fans on,
Yeah.
and the Starlink,
Yep.
and a couple of lights, and the refrigerator, and we've used 3% of our battery capacity. And really, it's just going to get worse now because we're losing the sun.
Yeah, but it was able to keep up.
It was keeping up pretty
It
good.
was keeping up. It's not anymore.
Well, we lost the sun. It's like moving in again because we gotta like get stuff back where it goes. We gotta make the bed. All kinds of stuff to do.
In a good way. We can reorganize and put things, like get rid of stuff, put things where they could go. We got rid of a lot of like refrigerator, freezer stuff.
What'd you get?
A Yeti, which I've already claimed.
You don't get to claim it.
Yeah.
No.
Mm-hmm.
That's okay. I like the blue one and the orange one anyway. I just think the engraving on this is so freaking cool.
Yeah. Some koozies. Some stickers.
One of those stickers is bound for the orange Yeti. A ceramic cup.
Coffee mug. A grocery bag. And a t-shirt. It's currently 10 a.m. We are taking the dogs out to go run around town, probably Troy, Alabama, to a dog park, and let the batteries charge before we move on to the next harvest toast. And we're charging at 505 watts, and we're at 60% battery.
We're just one day out from Airstream Nuts and Bolts. Our plan was really to be in dry camping spots, harvest host spots for a couple of nights, 3 nights, before getting to a campground. We ended up pulling into a harvest house last night that we just didn't feel right about. We let the owner of the harvest host know, the host know, that we were not going to be there that night, last night. We quickly found kind of our next best option that was close by, and it's the KOA Fort Rucker. I think it's Ozark Fort Rucker. Given that we were really just pulled in last night and we're pulling out today, I'm not going to do a walk around. The hosts here were awesome. They had done hamburgers on Thursday night for the Hurricane Evacuees, and they had like 100 left over, so they invited us for hamburgers last night. We're not quite cleaning up yet because we don't need to get out of here too early. We're just kind of having a leisurely morning while we get ready to get to our next harvest host, which is it's a brewery in Dothan, Alabama. We'll be pulling out of here today and heading towards Georgia, and we're getting close to stopping in Tallahassee at Master Applied Coatings to get our ceramic coating done on the Airstream.
What you see, boss? It's just a helicopter. That concludes our stay at a few harvest hosts, testing out our solar setup, and our stay at Folklore Brewing in Dothan, Alabama. Highly recommend staying here if you're ever passing through the area. Some really great folks and good food and fantastic drinks. Thanks for watching.